Hey guys, welcome back. This is Krika with another sticker haul. This one is from Craft Penguin Planners. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see this. I was looking forward to getting this order. So first things first, let me show you all her information. And I'm sorry if it's a little dark in here. I had to film tonight instead of in the morning time because I have to work and do a wedding. But I still wanted to get this done. But this is Craft Penguin Planners information. And then this was a freebie. It was the June sampler, and it says, if you want to soar in life, you must first learn to fly. First, love yourself. And I thought that was so beautiful. I will definitely be using that in my hobo. I love what she has on her sampler. It is her weather icon. So the sun, cloudy day, clouds, raining, rainbow, kites. It says love yourself more, you are enough, hot air balloons, 2 clouds, and then of course she has her little Craft Penguin Planner sticker, which I love because I like, when I use a kit, I like to put them hidden in my kit so that I remember who my kits were from. All right, and so then I ordered these. These are the hobo dots, the date dots, and these are the clear mat. So I had to order these, and I love them, and I think they come in 2 different fonts. But I got the clear mat in this one, in this font, and then I got the white mat in this one. So I'm excited because I don't like my handwriting, and to write in the hobos is even harder for me since I do write big and cannot ever get that done. So I'm sorry, I went out of order, but this is Kelly's favorite sampler. I used her as my PR girl, so this is her full box, half box, habit trackers, hello weekend, bees. I mean, this is so stinking cute. Check marks, the church, phone, not trash, vacuum cleaner, coffee. Love her on the bee, and then she has waddle with Kelly, meal plan, road trip, Friday, and grocery pickup. How cute is that? That is, I mean, so adorable. I cannot wait to use that. And then I ordered the July Patriotic Monthly sticker kit. I ordered one for the hobo and then one for, I think this one's for the hobo. And you get your days of the week and the month. This is for a monthly kit. And then it has a lot of little tiny quarter boxes, paydays, tooth, doctors, gifts, then dots, and then bill dues, medical bill due, car payments, water bills, TV bill due, internet, gas, phone, exclamation mark, house payment, credit card, electric bill, car insurance, reschedule, cancel, flags. I mean, she has it all. Then the bottom washi, or long strip washi, 2 half strip washies, and then another long strip of washi, and then a box. So, I mean, that is a ton in a monthly kit. I mean, that's a lot. And then I wanted to see if her, wanted to get her B6TN monthly kit too. And I'm hoping that I'm giving you the guys the right ones. So, but this one comes with washi, 1, 2, 3, 4 different size washi, then the long like sidebar, your date dots, or your date corners actually, which I love that because it doesn't take up your whole box, some heart check flags, canceled, rescheduled, your quarter boxes, don't forget, bill dues, and then all your little functional icons. And then I love the little butterflies and candle, flag, hat, and then like the streamers, and then July, and then the days of the week, and then the asterisks. I love this. So that is what I got from Craft Penguin Planners, and hopefully I can get this out in time. But she is in the TPC sale, so you might want to run over there and check out her code and get you some goodies that are on sale right now during the sale. The sale will be off on Monday, I believe. So I hope you like this little sticker haul. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Run over there to Craft Penguin Planners. All her PR girls are wonderful, and I hope to catch you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.